Do you hear that buzzing? Or is this some low-budget horror movie about a crazy beekeeper? But that's no insect invasion. That, my friend, is the sound of weight loss buzzwords. I hear them all day, every day, and you probably do too. These buzzwords are everywhere, and they're distracting. No one is really sure what they actually do for us. Like motivational quotes on a bathroom wall. All right, stop with the buzzing. You've heard the big ones: macros, portions, carbs, low calorie, restrictive, diuretic, glycemic, fast, crash, burn, keto, intermittent fasting, Dukan, South Beach, zone, paleo, raw, vegan, gluten-free, vinegar diet, tapeworm diet, graham diet, vision diet, chewing diet, cabbage soup diet, Bible diet, Fletcher-Sisson diet, Carol cleanse. These words are just words. They are trends and they are fads, and at times these are scare tactics. I'm going to tell you something important. Are you sitting down? You might want to sit down. Actually, no, stand up. Okay, he's standing up. It's better if you stand up. Oh, maybe you should be sitting, actually. Okay, have a seat. Good. All right, here's what I want you to know. The secret to weight loss is actually not a secret at all. Did you hear that? That's the sound of your mind being blown. I'm Drew Canoli, and as the founder and CEO of FitLifeTV, I have been expanding minds and shrinking waistlines through my personal experience with weight loss. My journey has been nothing of the sort of challenging, which is why I want to make it easier for you, much simpler. It's why I'm sharing this crucial information. Weight loss is not magic. It's not wizardry. It's not like Harry Potter or anything like that. It's not a code that only the highly skilled spies can crack. And it's definitely not a bunch of words. Losing weight is like fixing a car. You can't just shout a bunch of words at the car and expect the gas mileage, fuel emissions, horsepower. What are the two things you need when the car isn't running? If you said money and a mechanic, you're smart and you're on the right track. And I want you to know you don't need that. You need the tools. You need the knowledge. It's the same thing with losing weight. You need knowledge about nutrients, what they are, what they do. And you need the tools to help you know how to use them. These are your best weapons. And I'm here to arm you with both of those. Picture fat like a bratty little brother or sister. It latches onto you. It starts hanging around without being invited. This is exactly how fat cells act. They wrap themselves around toxins, heavy metals in your body, and they hold on to it, sometimes no matter what you do. And they build up if they aren't converted into energy. Just like that bratty little sibling, if you give fat something else to do, it goes away, boom. It's that easy. There are many nutrients that can help you achieve this, and I'm going to share with you Organifi green juice right here. Here are some, because nutrient knowledge is one of the biggest weapons when it comes to losing weight. And believe it or not, there are actually 11 superfoods in this container that could absolutely transform your life. Let's start with number one. This is ashwagandha. Now, I know it sounds like a band from the 60s. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen. Bet you can't say that 3 times fast. Go ahead. I'll wait. This means that it helps your body's response to stress. And this sounds great. We all want to be less stressed, right? As Americans and throughout the rest of the world, stress just keeps going up and up. Nobody's doing anything about it. So ashwagandha helps lower your stress and it enhances your mood. Stress can actually cause you to gain weight. See, cortisol is the stress hormone. Maybe you've heard me talk about that in the past. And when you have a lot of it pumping in your body, it loves, and it's literally like crack for fat. Fat loves to be stressed and to be stressed out in your body. The ashwagandha in this green juice actually helps balance cortisol. There's a lot of scientific information about how it actually does it, but I want to keep it simple for you. Stress plus you equals fat. You plus ashwagandha equals less fat. Hey, I never said I was a mathematician, but here it is. We mix it up just like this, and I want to tell you about the super nutrient that I love in here, moringa. Moringa is a tree who's called the tree of immortality, right? I have one in my backyard. It's amazing at detoxifying and boosting metabolism. Remember fat? How we use the example, it's like that clingy little brother or sister. So fat cells find toxins and heavy metals in your body, and since they have nothing better to do, they wrap around those. And this makes weight loss much more challenging. When you detox with green juice, you essentially leave the fat cells without anything to cling to. Then it's easier, and you can make them go home or take a nap and take a little break. So here it is. Green juice also gives you energy, and it has the metabolism boosting superfoods in here like beets. beets increase your nitric oxide levels, absolutely amazing ingredient, and it's gonna help you with energy. Another reason green juice is so great is that it's full of money. All right, just making sure you're listening. It's not made with that green stuff, but the taste is rich and it's amazing. It's creamy, it's minty, and mint is actually crucial for your gut health. And it also helps curb cravings. At least it does it for me. I wanna know what you think. Leave a comment below. Let me know if mint has helped you in the past too. Now that you have some nutrient knowledge, it's easy to see why green juice is a tool that you need. It's not a buzzword. In fact, it's 100% USDA Organified, certified organic. It's a superfood powder. It's safe for everyone, and it totally and is absolutely amazing. So click in the video or click the link below and get started with revving up your metabolism and boosting it with this superfood elixir. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon. I love this stuff.